Simple past tense. Verbal sentence.
The past tense indicates that a situation or an activity began and ended at a particular time in the past. The simple past tense in affirmative. To make a sentence in the simple past tense in affirmative, just follow this pattern. Subject, verb in past form. Object, adverb of time. There are two kinds of verbs in past forms: regular verbs, irregular verbs. Regular verbs. We form the regular verbs of past tense by adding ed, d, or t to the basic verbs. For examples, we played soccer yesterday, he closed the door slowly last night, my friend lent me some money last week. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs that do not form their past tense by adding d, ed, or t. For examples, I drank a cup of coffee last night, he went to work on foot yesterday, we swam on the beach last week. Here, some examples of the verbs in past form: open, opened, close, closed, see, saw, make, made, get, got, eat, ate, drink, drank. I drank coffee this morning, I always drink a cup of coffee every morning. The simple past tense negative. To form the simple past tense negative, we use the verb did with not and the basic verbs. For examples, I didn't go anywhere on holiday, we did not swim on the beach last week, you did not go to school 3 days ago. The simple past tense in interrogative. To form the simple past tense interrogative, we use the verb did at the first of a sentence. For examples, did you go to the library yesterday? Did they study English last year? Did she write a letter to him? Did I bother you last night? To answer some questions affirmatively in the simple past. Did you go to the library yesterday? Yes, I went to the library yesterday. Yes, I did. Yes. To answer some questions negatively in the simple past. Did you go to the library yesterday? No, I didn't go to the library yesterday. No, I didn't. No. Give the correct form of all the verbs in brackets.
Last summer, I went to Italy. I visited museums and sat in public gardens. A friendly waiter taught me a few words of Italian. Then he lent me a book. I read a few lines, but I didn't understand a word. Every day I thought about postcards. My holidays passed quickly, but I didn't send any cards to my friends. On the last day, I made a big decision. I got up early and bought 37 cards. I spent the whole day in my room, but I didn't write a single card.